welcome to today's tutorial. Our topic for today is a summary of understanding medical terminologies. At the end of today's lesson, we'll get to learn how medical terminologies are used to describe the human body system, medical procedures, medical disorders, and some examples of medical terminologies and their meanings. Prefix, which usually begins a word, are often about size. Example, we have macromolecules, large molecules, micro, mega, or color. Example, we have cyno, that is the color blue, cyanosis, meaning bluish coloration of the skin, erythro, that means the color red, erythrocyte, that is the red blood cell. Direction, example, transition, or intercellular, that is between cells, or used to describe amount or number. Example, multi, mono, or di. Example, dicotyledon. We move on to root word. Root words are often in the middle of a word. They often relate to a body part. Suffix usually ends a word, and they often relate to a medical problem, disorders, or medical procedure. Example of a medical procedure we have is ectomy, meaning removal of. When you come across an unknown medical term, break it down. First, look at the suffix, then the prefix, and lastly, look at the root word. Words that ends with AC, IAC, ICAL, AR, ariocious means pertaining to or relating to. Examples, we have cardiac. AC at the end of cardi means pertaining to. Cardi means the heart, so pertaining to the heart. The next one is abdominal. AL means pertaining or relating to. Abdominal, pertaining to the abdomen. Let's analyze these words. Prefix. Example, we have pseudo, meaning false. Suffix. We have itis, meaning inflammation of. And the word root here is append, meaning appendix. Let's put it together. We have pseudoappendicitis, meaning false inflammation of the appendix or inflammation of false appendix. Colors. We have chloro, meaning the color green. Example, chlorophyll. Erythro, meaning the color red. Example, erythrocytes. Leuco, the color white. Example, leukocytes. Cyno, the color blue. Example, cyanosis, meaning bluish coloration of the skin. Organs of the human body system. Pneumo or plural means the lung. Example, we have pneumonia, that is infection of the lung. Cranial. AL means pertaining to. Crani means the skull, so pertaining to the skull. Thorax means the chest. Ileo means the small intestine. Colon means the large intestine, and gastro means the stomach. Ophthalm or ocular means the eye. Example, we have ophthalmologist, that is a person who studies the eye, or ophthalmology, that is the study of the eye. Hepat, meaning the liver. We have hepatitis, that is inflammation of the liver. Ot means the ear. Example, we have otitis, meaning inflammation of the ear. Thrombo means blood clot. Example, we have thrombosis. Cardi means the heart. Hemat means the blood. Example, hematuria, that is blood in the urine. Common medical problems. Itis means inflammation. Example, gastritis, gastroenteritis. Pathy means disease. Example, myopathy, that is, myo means muscle, pathy, disease, muscle disease or disease of the muscle. Osseous means a condition or a disease. Example, osteoporosis, that is a disease of the bone. Mal means bad. Example, malabsorption, that is bad absorption. This meaning difficult or painful. Example, dysphagia, that is difficulty swallowing. Anemia means blood condition. Example, anemia. Oma means cancer or relating to tumor or a mass. Example, carcinoma, sarcoma. Procedures and tests and their meaning. Stomy means to create an opening. Otomy means to make a cut or an incision. Ectomy refers to the surgical removal, and gram is a picture taken. Graphy is the process of making an image. Scopy is the instrument used for viewing images. Echo is the use of ultrasonic waves. Electro is the use of electricity. So let's look at examples of prefixes and their meaning. Brady means slow. Example, bradycardia, slow heart rate. Cholecyst means gallbladder. Examples here are cholecystectomy, that is the removal of the gallbladder, and cholecystitis, that is inflammation of the gallbladder. Hyper meaning high or excess. Example, hypertension. Hyperalbuminuria, that is high albumin in the urine. Examples of suffixes and their meaning with examples. Ectomy means the surgical removal of. We have mastectomy. Thyroidectomy, that is the removal of the thyroid. Itis means inflammation. We have gastritis, inflammation of the stomach. Phlebitis, inflammation of the vein. Osteoarthritis, inflammation of the bone and the joints. Medical terms and their meanings. Example, we have cholecystectomy, that is the surgical removal of the gallbladder. Hysterectomy, Ectomy means the surgical removal, and hest means the uterus. So, surgical removal of the uterus. Nephrectomy, meaning excision of a kidney. Adenectomy means excision of a gland. Excision is the same as surgical removal. And arthralgia means pain in a joint. Algia means pain, and arthro means joint. So pain in a joint. Nephralgia means pain in the kidney. Neuralgia means nerve pain or pain in the nerve. Myalgia means muscle pain. Otalgia means earache or ear pain. Ot means ear, algia means pain, so ear pain. Gastralgia means pain in the stomach. Arthritis, meaning inflammation of a joint. Itis means inflammation. Arth means a joint, so inflammation of a joint. Bronchitis, meaning inflammation of the bronchi. Carditis means inflammation of the heart. Colitis means inflammation of the colon. And enteritis means inflammation of the intestines. Cystitis means inflammation of the urinary bladder. Glossitis means inflammation of the tongue. Hepatitis means inflammation of the liver. Laryngitis, inflammation of the larynx. Hemiplegia actually refers to the paralysis of one side of the body. Hemi means half. Thrombosis is the formation of blood clots. Neuroplasty means a surgical repair of the nerve. Pyeloplasty is a surgery to widen the pylorus. Amenorrhea is the absence of menstrual discharge. Dysmenorrhea is a painful menstruation. Cystectomy is a surgical opening made into the bladder. Cystotomy is an incision into the urinary bladder. Hematuria, meaning blood in the urine. Hypertrophy refers to the increase on the size of a tissue.